Nostalgia for me is very, very important in dining. We want everyone to have fun and sort of really feeling connection to the food. We've made a restaurant that we want to eat at.
We're constantly striving to be better and to be different in our own way and to really make our stamp on the hospitality world.
I'm Ivan Tisdall-Downes, chef and co-founder.
I'm Imogen Davis and I'm the co-founder of Native at Browns.
So Native is built on the concept of sustainability, first and foremost. We let the land dictate to us what we serve. Our menu is designed around the seasons. For us, it's all about not putting stress on the food chain and allowing the seasons to dictate to us what our menu is going to be for that week.
We utilise kind of more forgotten ingredients, foraged ingredients, wild, wherever possible. Foraging is the art of gathering food to survive. Basically, we're doing that, but making it a little bit fancier. We forage in the city, but we also forage kind of like out in the countryside and also next to the sea.
It's about sustainability in foraging as well. It's not just picking everything at once, it's maintaining that food source and not just depleting it straight away.
In the UK, there is about 700 different types of seaweed. Such an abundance of it. It's a really exciting ingredient to work with. The way we work at Native is that we try and take a classic and then give it a native twist. Everybody kind of has had a martini, but giving it that seaweed twist that has like that really mineral edge is like an extra talking point.
We've developed, since being here, the Millionaire shortbread, which is going to feature in the menu at Browns. So this is a kind of a 360 dish that started in OC, where there's an abundance of sea lettuce. So we've gone out and picked loads of that from the beaches, brought it back here and dehydrated it and made a sea lettuce shortbread. And it's like a wonderful caramel on top, chocolate, and then again it's sprinkled with the dried sea lettuce and some lemon peel and some sunflower seeds.
At Native at Browns, we've really made conscious decisions. Zero waste is something that's so ingrained into us, and it always has been. If you're chopping off the carrot tops and throwing them away when that's an ingredient that you paid for, it just doesn't really make any sense. We'll turn it into a pesto or dehydrate it to be a garnish for something and kind of just take that to the next level and be a bit more playful with it. The whole experience with Browns has just been an absolute dream. I have to pinch myself completely because it's such a massive honour to be partnering with Browns.
To finally be up and running at Browns is wonderful. I'm super, super happy. We're all at the same level. We're making both of our industries more sustainable, and how we can do that together. To be out serving customers, seeing smiles on faces, seeing the reactions has been what I've been missing.